A very good morning, children. I hope you all are healthy and safe. So, students, today we learn use of is, am, are, where we use is, am, are. In English, he, is, am, and are used only in present tense. Then, where we use is, we use is for one person, like she is my mother. So, when we talk about one person, we use is. And then we talk about the car is beautiful. So car, one person, we use is beautiful. So here we use is for one object. When we are talking about one person, one object, or one animal, etc., we use is after noun or pronoun. So I hope you understand with the use of is, where we use is. Then am, where we use am. Am is always used for I. We used am is always with I. For an example, I am Ritu. So we use I with am. Then let's talk about are, where we use are. When we use are for the second person. For an example, you are my brother. So we use are with the second person you. Are is used with you. You are a boy. You are a girl. So here we use are for the second person. You are my mother. You are my father. You are a doctor. Like this. Here I give you one worksheet. Fill is or are. Here are some sentences given you, and with filling the blanks you write down is or are. The baby dash sleeping. So baby is one person. Here we talk about only one person. So you write down the baby is sleeping. So we're talking about in this sentence only one person. So here we used is. Then they dash mother and son. So here we're talking about many person. They are. They are mother and son. Then he dash a barber. So here we're talking about one person. He is a barber. When we're talking about one person, one object, one thing, one animal, we use is. So here we're talking about one person, he. He is a barber. Then she dash mailing her letter. So she is also a singular person. So we use is. She is mailing her letter. Then they are plural. They dash standing together. They are standing together. The stars are plural. Stars dash twinkling in the sky. So stars are. We use are here. Then these dash flowers. These are flowers, because here we talking about flowers, plural. She dash a school teacher. She is also a singular person. We're talking about a singular person. So we write down she is a school teacher. So you see where we use is and are. So now in second exercise you feel am or is. As you know, am is used for with I. So let's start. It dash a knife. It one thing की बात की गई है. We talking about only one thing. तो it is a knife. He dash reading a book. He one person. He is reading a book. Then I dash going to school. So as you all know, am is used with I. So here we feel am. I am going to school. Then he dash a tailor. He, a singular person. We're talking about a singular person. So we use he is a tailor. Then it dash my wristwatch. So here we're talking about a one thing. It is my wristwatch. I dash drinking cold water. Here also talking about I. So am is used with I. So we feel am. I am drinking cold water. Then she dash listening a song. She is listening a song. Then I dash going to the factory. I am going to the factory. So now I hope you all are understand the use of am or is. So now next exercise, use these three: is, am or are. This dash a red. This one singular person की बात की गई है. This is a rat. I. What we use with I? We use am. I am eating watermelon. Then these. Plural की बात हो रही है. These dash pencils. These we use are. When we're talking about plural things, we use are. That dash a fish. A fish to is. Here we use is. That is a fish. My telephone dash ringing. My telephone is ringing. I dash a boy. I, we use am with I. So I am a boy. Then we dash good girls. We're talking about plural persons here. So we are good girls. That dash a rug. That a rug means is. That is a rug. Then last one is he dash playing in the park. He. So what we feel here? He is playing in the park. So now I hope you all are understand with the use of is, am or are. Where we use is when we talking about one person, one thing, singular person. we use is. And where we use am? We use am with I. I am a boy. I am a girl. I am dancing. I am singing. So we use am with I. Then are. Are is used only for second person or plural. And you. You are my mother. You are my brother. You are a good boy. You are my best friend. Here we use are with you. When we're talking about second person, we use are. You are. So I hope you all are understand with the use of is, am, are. Thank you. Have a nice